Sorry po.
Tama-tama, papunta ako sa gym mamaya.
So how's your regular exercise routine like? What do you do?
I do weights and then I go on the elliptical machine. Once I average, my more or less I work towards a heart rate. So 130 beats per minute.
And that's daily, sir?
No, no.
Often, sir.
I try for 4 times a week.
Sir,
I try for 2 days on, 1 day rest. 2 days on, 1 day rest.
sir, before you were very quiet about answering your bashers and trolls. What was the breaking point? What was the tipping point? Bakit po kayo nag-decide to attack it otherwise today?
Because I don't want people to worry. I don't want people to think that really that there's a problem. Because sa dami ng problema natin na hinaharap because of the war in the Middle East, sa dami ng hinaharap natin problema, that will be an additional problem of concern for our people. So I thought the easiest way is to show that I'm still very active physically.
Okay na, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.